Hello, good day. So for today's video, we are going to talk about the analysis of variance, or shortly known as ANOVA. But first, let us recall what the variance is. Variance, it refers to statistical measurement of the spread between numbers in a dataset. So basically, it tells you the degree of spread in your dataset. The more spread the data, the larger the variance is in relation to mean. When it comes to research in the field of education, economics, businesses, statistics, and etc., the ANOVA, or analysis of variance, is very important. If it were simply just two samples, or if you want to compare two means, t-test and ANOVA gives us the same results. However, if there are more than two populations, using t-test would not be reliable in this case. In order to make a confident and reliable decision, we will need evidence to support our approach. This is where the concept of ANOVA comes into play. ANOVA, short for analysis of variance, is a statistical technique for testing if two or more population means are equal. So if we wish to compare the means of more than two populations, we can use ANOVA. Basically, you're testing groups to see if there's a difference between them. Like for example, we have three manufacturers and has different processes to make smartphones. So researchers usually use ANOVA if they want to know if one process is better than the other. So we have two types of ANOVA, the one-way ANOVA and the two-way ANOVA. In one way, it is used when we are interested in studying the effect of one independent variable or factor on a population. So in a one-way ANOVA, there is only one independent variable or only one factor affecting a dependent variable. So for example, we have this test scores variation by age. Like we have 10, 11, and 12. You're grouping them by their age. And that is our independent variable. And our test scores would be our dependent variable. In a two-way ANOVA, it is used when we are interested in studying the effect of two independent variable or factor in a population at the same time. So in a two-way ANOVA, we have two independent variable or factor affecting one or affecting a dependent variable. For example, we have this test scores variation by age and gender. So if we want to know which factor affecting our test scores, is it age or gender? So that's the two-way, or that's the idea of our two-way ANOVA. Okay, in the next video, I will be showing you how to solve our one-way ANOVA by hand.